Zombie apocalypse.
Hi friends, today I am going to explain about hardware and software. A computer system has two major components, hardware and software. In practice, the term hardware refers to all the physical items associated with the computer system. Software is a set of instructions which enables the hardware to perform a specific task. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to accept data, that is input, and process it into useful information, that is output. It also stores data for later reuse, that is storage. The processing is performed by the hardware. The computer hardware responsible for computing are mainly classified as follows. First one is input devices. Input devices allows the user to enter the program and data and send it to the processing unit. The common input devices are keyboard, mouse, and scanners. Next one is the processor. Processor, more formally known as the central processing unit, that is CPU, has the electronic circuitry that manipulates input data into the information as required. The central processing unit actually executes computer instruction. Third one is memory. Memory from which the CPU fetches the instructions and data is called main memory. It is also called as primary memory and is volatile in nature. Fourth one is output devices. Output devices shows the processed data information, the result of processing. The devices are normally a monitor and printers. Next one is storage. Storage usually means secondary storage, which stores data and programs. Here the data and programs are permanently stored for future use. The hardware devices attached to the computer are called peripheral equipment. Peripheral equipment include all input, output, and secondary storage devices. Then we are going to discuss about computer software. Software refers to a program that makes a computer to do something meaningful. It is a planned step-by-step instruction required to turn data into information. Software can be classified into two categories, system software and application software. First one is system software. System software consists of general programs written for computer. This program provides the environment to run the application programs. System software comprises programs which interact with the hardware at a very basic level. They are the basic necessity of a computer system for its proper functioning. System software serves as the interface between hardware and the user. The operating system, compilers, and utility programs are examples of system software. Next one is application software. An application software consists of programs designed to solve a user problem. It is used to accomplish specific tasks rather than just managing a computer system. The compiler software translates the source program, that is user written program, into an object program, that is binary form. Specific compilers are available for computer programming languages like Fortran, COBOL, C, C++, etc. The utility program supports the computer for specific tasks like file copying, sorting, linking an object program, etc. One of the most commonly used software packages is word processing software. Anyone who has used a computer as a word processor knows that it is far more than a fancy typewriter. The great advantage of word processing over a typewriter is that you can make changes without retyping the entire document. The entire writing process is transformed by this modern word processing software. This software lets you create, edit, format, store, and print text and graphics. Some of the commonly used word processors are Microsoft Word, WordStar, WordPerfect, etc. Spreadsheet software packages allows the user to manipulate numbers, repetitive numeric calculations, use of related formulae, and creation of graphics and charts. are some of the basic tools. This capability lets business people try different combination of numbers and obtain the results quickly. Lotus 123, Excel, etc. are some of the famous spreadsheet applications. A database management system is a collection of programs that enable to store, modify and extract information from a database. A database organizes the information internally. Computerized banking system, automated teller machine, airlines and railway reservation system etc. are some of the database applications.